Hello, welcome back. So this is the same day actually. I'm just doing something different. I think I should give you guys some more detail about my robot, Scout, because I feel like I was very vague in my video trying to get the introduction over with real quick. Um, so Scout is a Scout robot. It's ATR as I call it, which means all-terrain robot. ATR, all-terrain robot. And he goes down on Scout's terrain that I don't want to go outside and do myself. Pretty much dangerous terrain. He goes out in Scouts, for me. And he will have a claw with an arm on it. Or I guess, no, correction. An arm with a claw on it that'll mount here. So whenever he needs to grab something, down, pick it up, go up. These were rear mounted motors, but the turning radius was really, really bad, especially with a trailer on. So I switched them to the front, so it's more of a better turn radius. And then with this trailer connected, actually, it didn't used to be like this. Actually, these used to be like. Let's take this off. And this. So it used to be mounted on the back like this. Say it was like this. So it couldn't turn by itself. And it could, like, the robot couldn't turn it off. So I decided to make these like this. Feed this through, just a little screw. Click this in place. Click this in place, put this through, and then put the net on, obviously, if I could keep it in my hands. So now it's a bit tight. So now if it hits terrain, it can bounce and it can drive and turn. It actually turns really well. We'll do some testing in a later video. I also want to go over. And then this motor right here, it has a little. I don't think I have it right with me, like out usable, but it has a little, like it's like an itty bitty gear that goes on right here, and then it mounts itself. What? How about it mounts? You can't even see this, but it mounts here, and then this goes on gear. A bar goes through, like right. This is not how it's supposed to go on. It's more like this. A bar goes through, and this is able to turn. That's how that works. We'll go over all this in another video. I just wanted to get some more context for the robot and the project. I just want to really go for Scout a little bit more. Nothing that's even more detailed, just kind of Scout. I was very vague. I was trying to get everything just done real quick from the intro video. Uh, I don't have any of the wires hooked up, because I was doing testing, obviously, not testing, modifications. Its racks are very, um, like, I guess, compressible, and that's because, here, let's go back down. If it's on a surface like this, you don't want the structures to be stiff and, like, push these all together. You want it to actually be able to, like, to flex. If that makes sense. You want this to be able to flex really down, really far down. Like, this can go all the way. I don't really like that, but it can go all the way. Um, these things here also act as a roll cage back down. So if this thing were to, let's say, flip on an object, like, let's say here, speaker, it flips, bam. Instead of it crushing my ultrasonic sensor and the mega, it rests like this, hopefully. Best case scenario is like this. Worst case scenario is like the. Actually, worst case scenario is this thing is like stuck in a stream. Uh, I think in the next few videos we'll be taking Scout apart and seeing what happens with the rebuild. We'll be taking them apart right here. Back down you go. Take them apart. Back up. Rebuilding them. And then we'll hopefully do some more testing. Before we even build them, though, I'm gonna take all the electronics off and do a testing video just like that. I'll do this full video of removing, testing, showing. I can't show you the code, but you get the idea. That's what we'll be doing. I'm very excited for the next few videos. Thank you all for joining me on this journey.